first? Sure. Yeah, we'll like. You have to look at that.
दिया जी अरे भाई अरे ये क्या है भाई हाँ
थैंक यू
जी टर्न हो जाए थोड़ा सा लगा
बोले वेल हाय दिया, आज आप बहुत ही अच्छे लग रहे हो वेयरिंग अ फ्लोरल। जानना चाहेंगे आज आप क्यों प्रेजेंट है एट दी पर्ल एकेडमी, व्हाट इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट, हाउ आर यू लाइक having a collabs with them?
I'm very happy to be here today, and I thank Pearl Academy for inviting me to be a part of their day-long celebration of a very. I think it's a very insightful theme because it's given all the students an opportunity to explore the past, the present, and the future. And the installations that I've seen made me realize how important it is to go through the motions of student life and create. And because when you create installations like the ones that I just saw, it really helps you interact with reality in a very different way. And climate change is a reality, is a harsh reality. And I witnessed evidences of their understanding of it, and their wanting to bring change in whatever way they can. And for me, that was the highlight of the installations. And Pearl Academy has been in Mumbai now since 2013.
Yeah.
And I've had some online sessions with them, and I've always enjoyed interacting with the students. I think, the future of a healthy planet is in the hands of individuals who respond to everything from a place of empathy and creativity, because many of our solutions lie in design and innovation, and that will only happen when we have empowered students who understand what's happening.
आज आप बहुत सारे लोगों के आपने काम देखा, आपको कैसा लगा, किसके काम आपको अच्छे लगे, क्या क्या चीज़ें नहीं आपको सीखने मिली?
मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी कि जितने भी इंस्टॉलेशंस हैं वो रीपर्पस होंगे, रिसाइकल होंगे, कोई वेस्टेज नहीं क्रिएट होगी। आई थिंक वो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी बात है, क्योंकि अगर बच्चे इस स्टेज पे इस बात को समझे कि जो चीज़ों का, जो मटेरियल का वो उपयोग कर रहे हैं वो वापस इस्तेमाल होगा, तो आई थिंक देयर इज़ अ much deeper message that the children are not only conveying but are imbibing as well.
क्या कुछ आपके रिमेम्बरिंग मेमोरीज हैं, जैसे आज आपने देखा इंस्टॉलेशंस, ऐसे क्या कुछ आप कॉलेज डेज में क्या करते थे, ऐसा कुछ है तो आप शेयर करेंगे?
मैं सिर्फ ये जानती हूँ कि जिस तरह की क्रिएटिविटी और जिस तरह की खुशी एक ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशन से मिलती है वो शायद ही किसी और इंस्टीट्यूशन से मिलती हो, क्योंकि I think young people really get to explore the full extent of their potential. They really enjoy every moment that they're in the learning space, and it's fun for them. It's really a very wonderful environment. और वो बच्चों को देख के उनके चेहरे देखकर नज़र आता है।
मैम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, there are too many academies nowadays, competition बहुत ज़्यादा है, why people will choose Pearl Academy? What is the difference in that?
Pearl Academy has a 30 years legacy in the design field. We started with fashion, then we moved on to communication design, interior design. We have some fantastic courses. We have fantastic deans, who bring in a lot of good knowledge, to Pearl Academy. We have internationality as something which is completely focusing on giving that exposure to the students. And then we believe in creating complete design professionals. By complete design professional, I mean that we at Pearl Academy focus on technology and life skills, which are very, very important along with the global aspect. And that's what makes us different. Life skills and technology are something that, we really, really focus on. Technology because, of course, it's the need of the hour and it's futuristic. And life skills is because I think we all understand the kind of emotions that the youth of today is going. And how do we, instill things like, emotional intelligence, accountability, financial acumen to make them complete design professionals.
Well, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, जहाँ डिज़ाइनिंग की बात आती है, आप क्या खुद के लिए भी डिज़ाइन करती हैं आपके क्लोथ्स?
नहीं, but I've had the privilege of working with some of the most incredible designers over the years, and I'm as an advocate for the sustainable development goals, I feel really proud कि आज हमारे देश में ऐसे designers हैं जो sustainability को खूबसूरती से समझते हैं, उसे बहुत अच्छी तरह से imbibe करके अपने जो processes है, चाहे वो production processes हो या delivery processes हो या of course, the garments themselves, they're really walking the mile to make them sustainable and making sustainable more mainstream than ever before, which is the need of the hour.
मैम अगर आपको कुछ डिज़ाइन करना हो तो आपका क्या डिज़ायर रहेगा, क्या डिज़ाइन करना आप पसंद करोगे?
मैं एक ऐसे दुनिया को डिज़ाइन करना पसंद करूँगी जो प्लास्टिक से मुक्त हो. Thank you.
Totally.
Last question is that हाल ही में the people are talking about Kerala story, but no one is ready to say about that. Did you watch that film? How did you like it?
There's a lot of people saying a lot of things about the film. I haven't seen it yet. I will watch it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
ऐसा तो मज़ा आता है विजुअल में. थोड़ा तो
They will explain. So this is all of our students' display, and we've covered basically our entire overall theme was Mumbai. So we've all of the work that you see is inspired by Mumbai culture and Mumbai fashion, the trends and everything. So these are the magazines, and these are the display. Show me. This is inspired from marine plastic and like what goes in water goes in you. So it's based on that.
They found there's scientific evidence of plastic in human feces, bloodstream, placenta, mother's breast milk. Yeah, it's found its way everywhere.
अरे आगे मत जाओ यार,
There's
zoom करो
plastic as large as windows. Also animal protein and that.
I'm not big on brands. And here is some of the best work that they've done and throughout these 11 months and we've displayed there. And then some nice giveaway that looks like a postcard. Yeah.
मोबाइल
हाँ 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 ये वो
पीछे आ जाओ
The girls don't bite.
थैंक यू
I love the toy. So let them explore the streets, like go to town, Colaba, the street. Yes. So she is from a very small town from Karnataka. She is not here, present here, but the topic was outsider in Mumbai. So she got inspired from her whole experience. And she came especially to Mumbai for the course. And she's a very reserved, introverted girl. What the city has done to her, she always shows it in her work. Even that stunning. So that work is done by the student. Wow. Yes. She experiments. She's the most student who experiments, and she'll tell me, you give me more work. I'll go to any street show, you tell me I'll work. Whatever you want.
I'm Somi.
There's some other one which is you can take any.
मैं मोबाइल भूल जाता है इससे हो रहा हूँ यार क्या विजुअल मिलेगा
This one is also chickens. This one I
मोबाइल जरूर होगा